Alright guys, so we have the fire going. We just caught our striped bass not too long ago, 5 minutes ago, and we want to try this little gadget here that we found. It's a hanging grill, so you can just place that over the fireplace. We're gonna go ahead and build up this bad boy right here and start the barbecue in. This is a Coghlan's tripod grill and lantern hanger. So we're gonna use it. I guess you could use it also as a lantern hanger, but we're gonna use it as a grill. So let's give it a go. Let's see. Can't imagine. I haven't read any instructions or anything like that. But probably doesn't even come with any. Might not even need it. So let's take it out first.
Are you talking?
Yes. Alright, so this part's out. Let's see. That part's probably the easy part. So let's see here. Looks like they are kind of like when you're building a tent. They have a string inside and they just connect together, so pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. See, hanging string, connected together. That's it. Let's see. All right, give me one more since it's a tripod. So we got the tripod, and there has to be a way to connect the tripods. Alright. Okay. This is going to help us with the distance, it looks like. You can adjust the height of where you want it to sit on the fire. So that's going to help us with that. Let's see if that's going to be the same thing that's... Wait, I got one more. Okay, this is what we're gonna use to connect all three. So, use that. Let's see here. Whoa, what do you know? We found instructions. Alright, let's see what this thing says really quick. Alright, it's got 9 instructions. But, I think we can figure it out. It's kind of hard to see. There we go. It's kind of hard to see, but let's see if we can figure this out. Alright. At least we know what it's supposed to look like. Alright. So it looks like on the top ends, they have these hooks there. That's how you know that's going to be the top end right there. Alright.
Large water finish, huh?
It just looks like they're just gonna snap right on here. These things, they actually go in like this. So snap one, and it looks like it's just gonna sit in between both of them, and that's how it's gonna stay on there. So you're gonna do that to the other ones, and that's how you make the tripod. So let's do that. There we go. All right, let's adjust this bad boy. Okay. I don't want to get too close to my fire here. Actually, maybe I do. Let's see. Let's adjust it one more time. There we go. getting there. Okay, and now we have the grill, and let's see how we're going to adjust that here.
Can I throw my line straight between these lines?
This one is straight, this one is out, this one is straight, and this one is out. So this one in between these two, you can do it in between these two. All right, so now we're going to try to connect the hanging grill here. Looks like that just slides right on there. So that's no rocket science there. It's just going to slide from there, clips on. Now we're going to figure out how to use this. And I just heard my fishing bells, so thought something might have hit that, but all right, let's give it a go. And actually, this is gonna go inside one of the holes. I want to put this on the floor. I want to burn myself there. Okay. Can we adjust this angle here? Okay. It's gonna go in one of these first before we finish connecting it. Right, now we're cooking. Let's adjust the height on this first. Alright, there we have it. Let's see, let's take a closer look. Okay, there's the finished product. Obviously the fire's too hot right now, but simple way to bring your barbecue grill with you. It's 3 sticks and a hanging grill, and you're ready to go barbecue. So there we go, that's how we do it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I appreciate everything you guys do. I really do. So thank you so much. Take care.